All right, so for an example for division point, we're going to look at what to do when it says ratio. But for right now, if it says division point, right? This is the formula, x1 plus a over b, x2 minus x1, and then the same thing, but for the y value. Okay? Now, what's important here? This is a fraction. That's perfect. Located 2/3 of the way. So that means I know right off the bat for this guy here, okay, that's going to be 2/3. That's going to be 2/3. Because it says from point A, that makes this one x1, that one y1. Starting point matters. Okay? My x1, y1 is so important in this case. Now I know that that's x1, y1, then this is x2, y2, and I can just plug in and solve. Okay? So 5 plus 2/3, and we'll have 11 minus 5. Okay? And then 2 plus 2/3, -1 minus 2. So I always calculate this basically going this way. So brackets first, multiply, and then we go ahead and add at the end. So I'm going to do inside the brackets first. The 5 doesn't change. The 2/3 doesn't change. Inside here, I'm going to have 6. Okay? 2 doesn't change. 2/3 doesn't change. But inside here, I'm going to have -3. Now I can do my multiplication. So 6 times 2/3 is going to give me what?
How do you multiply fractions?
Good question. So like in my calculator, I'm either going to go bracket 2 divided by 3 and then multiply that by 6. Or what I'm going to do is you can go, if you want, 2 times 6 is equal to an answer, and then divide that by 3.
Oh wait, you just do 2 times 6 divided by 3.
Yeah.
So the numerator times the number that you're multiplying divided by the denominator.
Yeah.
So this is the most tedious.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll finish it up here. So 2 times 6 is your 12. Divide by 3 is 4. 5 plus 4. 2 plus, in this case here, it's going to be -2. So I'm going to have at the end 9 and 0 as where they meet for this guy. Because they'll be adding the negative, which basically means it's subtraction. So story checks out. That's what that answer would be there. We'll do a bunch more of these examples and talk about what happens when we see ratio next time.